I'm smelling fishy here, boy. What's going
Serious? Watch one now clean.
on? Look,
This
Lippy.
thing have more skill than anything. This fish are real skill though.
Remember Lippy from Mayaro?
The amount of skill I take out from this can make an arm out of it, you know. The fish was weighing 3 pounds. When I done finish scale this, I got it is 2 pounds.
Lift it up on see? Remember the Botox fish earlier?
I'm gonna deal with him.
So what are we going to do?
Could bake him, you know. We go bake him? Is that shit I eat?
Well, I think this is a boy.
So we go bake him.
Yeah, I think we should bake him.
Put some slicing in there if you want to bake him. Stuff, you know.
Yeah, here. So how long do you think this will take to bake? It's hard work. Right, so see in here we have some chunky veg. And you have all this stuff out already. So we will show the guys how you season up Lippy.
So first time I'm going to use this Chief seafood seasoning, yeah? Smell good though. Oh, this is my favorite thing to use now. This tasting real good.
I realized this was from my area. You tried for the first time?
No.
When you bought it?
Caribbean flavors behind this.
Oh, okay. So we're trying the cheap one this time.
Yeah. Chief one a little more mincy. I'll take out the eye for here. So since we're baking, I'll use our oyster sauce. Okay, well, moisture and keep it moist a little bit. Soy sauce. Green seasoning.
Some mustard. Green seasoning, some mustard.
A little paprika. It's smelling there already.
It smells good, but that's the soy sauce. I like how that soy sauce smelling.
Some black pepper.
You put a massage them up with your hands? Or you want me to do it?
If you want to. And Kevin, you still using your pepper sauce to cook it, eh? This big nice onion to put in here. We just use her. Grate some garlic. Pour some ginger. You want to roll now?
Yeah. Alright.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah. So all you know, I like to use me hands. So I'm going to go in here.
Well, you must massage me more often.
Well, I mean, so I have decided to do yet again another like show you what I eat during the week and stuff, because a lot of you just misunderstand when all you're looking at my weekend vlogs and seeing the stuff that we just be eating. That's not what I just eat during the week. During the week, I just try to stay on the healthier side, on the cleaner side. I'm not perfect, like I'm not strict with my diet or anything, but I just try my very best to stay away from the foods that I eat on a weekend. And even so, the stuff that I probably indulge in on the weekends is not really much. Like I do eat a lot. So today I am going to show you what I do with my fishes. We have Lippy on the inside. I have 2 pieces of cavalli that I am going to grill and have that with some vegetables. Right. So how long are we leaving this for, chef?
Leave it all 15 minutes.
Okay. The onions like really fresh. They're making my eyes water. Ooh, Lippy fits. He made it. Look at him. Alright, he's going to be baked. And these two are going to be grilled. And what are we doing with these veggies?
I'm going to the fish. Right. So at the cassava, so I want to make the idea, I want to stuff it inside the fish.
This is just sweet potato and cassava, right?
Yeah.
That was in the fridge, so.
Stuff it.
Man handling that fish, but he tough, eh?
Again, half right. Hold it today. I have to scale all of my head.
Wait, so how hard this was to clean?
No, it's not really, no. I have to clean fish and chicken. I like to clean them things. But he was tough, he gave me a real good fight. I was wrestling with him. When I finished, I had scale on my hair, my back and thing, I scale. I don't know how that ended up there, but.
Well, for scale setting up on your back.
Yeah,
He gave you a fight.
Yeah,
He gave you a fight.
I was on the ground and thing.
So how long this baking for? You don't know, eh? Because you never baked this before.
I never even eat this fish before, so with some salt butter. Gonna cover him now. Season up nicely. So what are you gonna do with your fish now?
Oh, so I have some leftover cavalli here that I decided to stew. So I'll have this with probably like vegetables.
Stew queen.
Yes. So I'll have this with like vegetables and stuff.
So you think you could eat fish all week?
Yeah, I could eat fish whole week. You?
I want to see you do that.
I could. For Lent.
Nice.
There was a time for Lent. I fast. I did the full 40 days without meat and alcohol. And my body felt so good. Like the first time I probably drank a beer after or eat meat, I felt so guilty. So your body does feel light. Good. Right, so I just added some ketchup there, paprika, and well, we're trying out this seafood seasoning, and we're going in with some dark soy sauce. And oyster sauce. So basically, I'm doing the same thing you did. I just do it, right? 1 grain of garlic because that's what it had here. Feeling hard to go in the fridge.
Oh, got it. You see you're cutting out skills?
I don't have that skills like you. It's sharp, boy. Yeah, you're trying to get the angles. So we put that in.
Guys, you think she learning anything from her?
Yes, I learned. Kev. Now I like my food extremely hot, right? So I'll be going with a little more.
Just like your man.
So in with my hands.
Wait, I saw the green seasoning.
Oh, because you hide it.
I didn't hide it.
And some green seasoning. Look at this. This is cavalli. Uncle Haro, you would like yourself.
Yeah, you might have dropped lunch here.
I know. I'll let this sit for like half an hour because I like my stuff so clean. How do I look at?
Smelling good.
Yes.
So Miss Lady, what are you gonna do?
Right, so it's my turn. So I am just going to grill up my fish and I'm going to use some coconut oil from Ikaka. Not too much. So look at the babies. Ready to flip? Alright. I don't want to damage my fish. Ooh. Look at that. Time it out looking good. Ooh. Okay, so this has been in the oven for like approximately 20 minutes. 15. And it's going back for another 15. Look at my babies here.
Ooh. It's falling off the bone here, boy.
That's looking real good. Steaming up my camera. Look at that. Now look at my babies over here. And it will be paired with some steam up cabbage and onion and whatnot. This was the leftover veggie from the pack. And that is how I eat during the week. I believe it out. I have some videos on YouTube showing that.
Every Friday she's in Chinese, right?
Well, I mean, Friday is considered the beginning of the weekend. And all you know, Chinese is my favorite junk food. Chinese is a junk food?
Yeah.
Alright, so yeah, so
What's my favorite junk food?
burgers, Wendy's, Baconator. What's mine? We just say it.
Number one.
Alright, small rice, ramen chicken with plenty soy sauce and pepper sauce.
Don't bring no chow mein fish in that shit. Mad.
Noodles.
I should put ketchup in your Chinese food next time.
So anyways guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Try some of this. Bake all your fish, grill all your fish, stir up a little veggies on the side.
Yeah,
and that's a good combination, you know, veggies and chicken, veggies and fish. Anything with anything vegetables and protein is a very good combo for digestion, and it helps with weight loss as well. So thank you all so much for watching. If you all enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. You will see more videos like these. Thank you so much for cooking for the week for me. This is food for the week. Anyways guys, have a wonderful week ahead. Stay safe, sanitize, wear your mask. I said it wrong side. Wear your mask, sanitize your hands, and we will see you guys in our next video. Bye.